Okay, where do we begin? So yeah, I bought the Xiaomi 6X LCD screen. This is my Xiaomi 6X, or in some places they call it the 5A. Comes with a nice screen protector and a set of tools which I could hopefully use. It came with it in this styrofoam box, which is just nice for like one small fish, so you can keep it and put your little horse mackerel in there and then keep it fresh, toss it away. Okay, I only watched like a couple of videos and I hope I can remember the steps, so let's see if this is possible. I don't know what these tools are for, but we'll just do it. Hopefully I won't screw up too bad. Okay, comes with some 3M tape, I think. Very neat. Okay, so first we're gonna remove these screws here at the bottom. So, alright. Can't really tell if they're like cross tips or yeah. Oh, they're not, they're like star-shaped things. Okay, don't want to lose the screws. If you do, you're screwed. Haha, punny. Okay, so remove the two screws from the bottom. And then what's next? Oh right, I have to take out the SIM card. Let me see if I got anything I can take out the SIM card with here. Okay, a moment. Okay, take out the SIM cards. Dual SIM, very nice. So put that one side. I believe now we have to take off the screen. So just a little background about why I need to change my Xiaomi 6X screen is because the current screen has this problem with the ghost touch, and it's such a pain. I have no idea how you remove the screen, man. Ooh, that sounds bad. Are any of these tools good at all? Shit. Okay, hopefully this one will work. Oh yeah, this one works better. It slips in pretty well. Only doesn't break. Yeah, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to slide it around, I think. Anyway, this tool is terrible. Look at that, it's already like peeling off and shit. Okay, not sure you guys can see it. I'm already regretting this already. Okay, there you can see it's already like partially nicked. So that sucks, but I kinda got the cover a little bit open, so I guess I'm like halfway there, hopefully. Oh shit, it closed back. This sucks already, man. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, it peels off slowly. Not too bad, not too bad. I think I'm getting progress here. Okay, look at that. I got a bit of it open. That's not too shabby. Hopefully the rest of it is Be better. Oh, I can use this, I think. Oh, yeah, that might be it. Are these tools like one-time use or what? They're like terrible, man. Okay, that's the last of it too. Oh shit, did I break something? I hope not. Okay. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. Not sure, there's that pink shit over there. What the fuck is that pink shit? What the world is that pink shit? Okay, so beautiful. I got it kind of open, and then I have to remove some other stuff. I know I have to remove this these 3 screws here. Let me see what it is. It's a cross tip. So it's the Phillips head. Is it? Do you call it Phillips head? I think it's this one here. You guys can't see it. These 3 things here. This panel, there's 1 screw, 2 screw, and 3 screws. 1, 2, 3 along this silver thing. So let's get that out first. I'm thinking like maybe I should have actually. Okay, let's see if this one works. Yeah, this one works perfectly. So, pro tip, don't use the screwdriver which they give because it sucks. Just find your own screwdriver and you should do fine. Okay, first screw out. Second screw and okay, then just lift this one up, I guess. Oh shit. And okay, so I got this silver thing off, and then apparently I have to remove 2 things. Oh wait, can I just remove that one? But sometimes they say you have to remove like this battery connecting tab, and along with it is the screen tab. But I reckon I can just remove the screen one and I'll do fine, I think. Yeah. Let me find a nice tweezer. Should I just screw that one up? Okay, got my tweezer here. It's gonna gently lift it up. Ah, there we go. And there we have it. The screen is off. But do take note, we have to also remove these 2 things here, right at the top. Come on, focus, man. Okay, so you got this one over here, which is the microphone, and also the flash module on the other side. So go remove those two to actually put it onto your new LCD screen. Look at that, it's so beautiful. I'm not sure if I have to move anything over. I can't really tell from here. I really hope I don't have to move any other modules over. Maybe I have to remove this casing. Oh yeah, I have to remove this casing. This silver color thing, I have to remove this silver color thing as well. Shit, I think. Can't really tell because the screws don't match up. Oh wait, maybe I don't have to because the screws don't match up. Maybe I have to. Shit, can't really tell. You know what? Let's remove it first and then we'll see if it fits. If it fits, I shall move it over. More cross steps. Oh yeah, it looks like I have to move it over. Okay. Damn, these screws are really small. Okay, I'm not sure where we stopped down there, but because my camera just switched off apparently. But I've just removed the speaker module. I'm sure you guys can see it. Dee dee dee. Yes, there we go. Speaker module. It's from the earpiece over here, the top part. Oh God, focus, my boy, focus! Right, so it's from here. Just ripped it out. Also removed the screws for this casing, all 7 of them around this, whatever you want to call this, LCD screen thing. So I'm gonna move the speaker module to the new LCD screen. Oh shit, I forgot which side is up. Hopefully it's the right side. Just fit it in, it should be fine. And also gonna move over the flash module, which is this one here, the 2 silver color things. Hopefully I don't drop it. that was honestly actually quite hard to remove, so not sure if I want to recommend anybody to do this at all. What the hell? Oh wow. Okay, fitting in the flash module into the holes there. Hopefully all this thing doesn't pop up when I use them. Okay, next one I'm gonna move over the silver color back cover thing. Gonna figure out how to pop this out this year. Oh, it comes off quite easily. Okay, what the fuck is this? Very interesting. This black color thing, I'm not sure I should move this. No, it looks like it's stuck to the silver thing, so no. Then just move this flat shade over. Okay. I think I'm doing pretty well. Okay, so now we're gonna put back all the screws around this silver thing. I really hope this screen works because I've not tested it before, so the worst case is I swap it over and it's spoiled. Ugh, hate tiny screws. God damn it! How do people do this, man? Like how do other YouTubers just do it? Oh fuck! This screw sucks, man. Oh shit! Dropped again. If you guys have any tips on how to put the screws in nicely, do let me know. But these screws are really short and really small, so I don't understand how anybody even does this. Oh, look at that. Okay, second one in. Another 5 more to go. Shit. That one was easy. 3 down. Oh wait, there's 8 screws altogether, so I think I made a mistake in calculating just now. Calculating, say... What? I dropped 1 screw! Okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna look for that screw. I don't think it really matters that there's 1 screw less. Ah, shit. You should never let me change any of your phone screens, because if I drop a tiny screw, I will not bother to find it. So that's one job scope which I can never take again, which is the handphone repair occupation. Holy shit, did I just lost another screw? Did I just do that? Oh, it's there. These screws are nasty, man. So small and so gross. Maybe I should put like some tape or something to the screwdriver. Just to push it in. Oh crap, it went in. Okay, one last screw because I can't find the other screw, or I just refuse to. Okay, so there we have it. This is the new screen. Shift over the speaker module, the flash module. This back casing, all the screws except for one because I lost it and I refused to find it. And then I guess we can just connect this the LCD screen module back to the actual housing and test if it works. Oh god. god. Okay, I hope I connected it back properly, and we'll just do a quick screen test. Okay, look at that. I hope it works properly. It kind of works. I hope it works properly. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this crappy piece of plastic here. Looks beautiful. Oh shit, don't tell me it doesn't work. Okay. Then apparently there's this test where you can just like move your icons everywhere and see if it follows. Hopefully it doesn't drop anywhere. Okay, so there you go. It's kind of fixed, kind of. So I'm just gonna turn off the screen and maybe apply back the tape, the 3M tape along the inside of the surface, and then we should be good to go. Remove the old one first. We try to remove the old tape. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to cut my video here. Overall, I think it's not such a bad decision to actually change my screen myself. It's relatively easy. It's cheaper than going outside to change it, and it takes a relatively short time, about maybe 20 minutes to like half an hour. But if you are still really afraid of handling all this electronics and also losing some screws, then I advise you to bring it to a proper dealership or shop to actually change it. Don't do it yourself. But if you're okay to take the risk, then go ahead. I'm doing this because I bought this phone and it doesn't have any warranty. I bought it online, so the screen had this ghost touch issue which I can't solve using a factory reset. So that's why I'm doing it, and hopefully this video give you guys some insight on how to do it. It's relatively easy. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to actually put back the silver color thing there, but yeah, stripping and reassembling this is it's not too complicated. I think they made it quite easy for most people to do it themselves, or even though like they really wouldn't recommend anybody to do it, because if you spoil it, it's your fault. So yeah, hopefully you guys see this video and take the step to actually change your own screens and not be afraid. Alright, see ya, bye.